All right, y'all, we're finna make something really good. Cinnamon Toast Crunch pancakes. Ooh, they're gonna be so good. I love them, the kids love them. Let's make some. Breakfast time, you gotta have some kind of protein. I love bacon, sausage, and everything. When I was growing up, you always had something to eat for breakfast, some kind of meat, and I love my bacon. All right, y'all, come over here, we'll fix to mix all this up. When we was growing up, we was always eating pancakes. It was just something fun to cook and easy. Y'all, this is even easier. This box of stuff right here, all you do is add a little water, and you're good. I'm gonna make a lot, because I know them kids are gonna eat everything. All right, you got that? All right, we're gonna mix it up with a little water. Yeah, I miss it, y'all. I get it everywhere out here. Okay, everybody likes the pancakes a little different. You just got to get it the right consistency of what you like. Miss Janet likes them real thin. I like them kind of thick. So by the time the day is over, we switch it back and forth, and she gets hers and I get mine. I think we just about got this. Golly, that bacon's killing me over there. We need somebody to talk to. Y'all look what we're gonna do next. I'm gonna kind of crunchy, but not too crunchy. I mean, you want to have some bits in there. Oh yeah, this is pretty. Ooh, y'all got to try this. That's sweet maple, y'all. Ooh, that makes it really taste good. All right, y'all, we're gonna start this a little bit. Okay, we're gonna let it sit a minute. We're gonna check on Mr. Bacon, see how he's doing over here. Oh yeah. Go ahead and start turning it. How y'all like y'all's bacon? This is the way I like to cook mine. Not too crunchy, but not too not crunchy, if that makes sense. But me and Miss Janet like it that way. We're gonna be back in just a few minutes. We're gonna let this bacon cook down a little bit, and then we're gonna start our pancakes. Ooh, y'all, the bacon come out perfect. Look at that. Now we're fixing to do something a little different. Pour a little bit of this oil in the bacon oil. You know what I'm gonna do is kind of spread it back and forth. Trust me, you're gonna get a few little bacon bits in there, but it'll be good. All right, y'all, we're gonna get this ladle and we're gonna start dropping pancakes. Pancakes are one of them things that don't take long to cook. You can feed a lot of people with pancakes. Now I got grandbabies that love this kind of stuff. And when you got grandbabies, you make a lot of them like this. This is grandbaby pancakes right here. Little bitty ones. Because while you eating, you could toss them one and they stay out your way. This is a pro move right here from Mr. Bruce Mitchell. Y'all, we gotta watch these real close because they do have the sugar in it. Sugar turns different colors when you cook it. So you don't want them too dark or kids won't eat them. All right, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we're gonna plate them up, then we're gonna bring them over here. Don't forget our bacon now. Bacon's real important. We'll get a little bit of our Cinnamon Toast Crunch, put it on top, drizzle some syrup on it, and you got your mama's and your papa's pancakes and the little kids' pancake and the bacon. We're gonna eat it all. Y'all see me make these for the grandkids or whatever, but you can make them for anybody you want. Breakfast is a really important meal. When I was coming up, both my grandmothers lived close to me, so I would run down to each one's house and eat breakfast with both of them just to see who was gonna do what today. One of them might be milking a cow, the other one might be riding a tractor or going down the river. And that's how my life started every morning. All right, y'all, we're gonna eat this up and we'll see y'all next time. Feel like a kid again.
Tonight you're cooking with the